Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna go over my trade today on PLRZ. Took another max loss on this thing. All-time highs were at 196. There was something that was on the hourly. I don't know how accurate that is, though. Is that 4 o'clock? At least that's what it says. Back in October, I did not see that. But So how I traded this, right? So I was looking for this thing, it broke over all-time highs, 196. Every time I take the trade. So it had a double topping up here. I thought that, at 250, I was like, all right, I'll take a short right here, risking just over 250. It squeezed up on me. I took a stop. This thing popped back up. There was the hourly level at 320. I don't know how accurate that was, but it had another double top right there. I took a short. It didn't work. In hindsight, obviously, like this thing broke over all-time high on the daily light, and then it does a curl. I should just like longed it. It's got good volume, especially in pre-market. Volume really came, started coming in after it broke over that level. But then, I'm taking a short and there's a ungodly amount of volume in pre-market. Um, really, I should just been long this damn shit. But I thought that it was gonna give a good short opportunity. I took a short when it fell this level. There was this big stuff and pretty good volume, almost a million shares. I was like, okay, that right there, that's the signal to go short, right? To pop and fell over $4, felled under. Really, I tried to get filled right here. I kept on trying to get filled on the ask. I missed it. I slammed the bid down here. I slammed the bid again. The fell of this, and I was looking for more of a fade. But in hindsight, this there's really no reason to be short in there. And then it also found this bottom, starts consolidating. It's got a lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, long, and sell for a loss. Long cut, long cut. The problem was I was trying to get too big a size, and realistically, if I just was in a small size and, yeah, I mean, really, that's not going to do much. So, never mind. That's really not that great of an idea. But at 8 o'clock, I started taking shorts, covered, went long, sold, short, sold part. If you can't tell right now, I'm already on tilt. 100%. I'm in full size here. I covered half. I covered another half. This in hindsight would have been a perfect ass long. Volume really starts coming in. It breaks up over this consolidation period. I do take it long, but get stopped out, and then I try to get filled again, and this thing just ripped without me. I got pissed off at that point, and comes up here like this is another thing is there is another clear indication, but the problem was, this thing stuffed out. It got all the way down to $4. This is like 480, and I was like, I can't short risking 80 cents. But what I could have done is I could have got short anywhere in here, risking, say that, or like the half dollar, right? Okay, start scaling in really small size, but I longed. I thought I was hoping that it was gonna do like another. I was being too long biased. And the other thing is, I'm way far away from my first target. Like, like right now, if you zoom this out, shit. So I'm always saying you short the tops and you long the bottoms. So yeah, this thing just broke through. It made another topping up here, blew off a bunch of volume. Okay, well the $half number is right here. Okay, just take a short, risking off that. Like this does not say long at all. Like down here might have said like long, you know, and look for a continuation. It didn't work, and then it failed, and then it came down, and then even this I wouldn't have longed. There's no volume at all. All the volume's trapped above. I just really did not have a very good read on this stock at all today. I was way too biased, and then when I did finally get a good long, I'm here at 380, 89, 410. I'm looking for this thing to push up, and then I take a good size loss, and then I short weakness because once again, even on a micro level, this is the ceiling, this is the floor. Why in the hell am I shorting down here? Because I'm thinking off money. If I would have drawn in a fib, actually, I'm going to do that right now, and I would go from here to there. Holy shit! Perfect short right there. Cover half, cover all, done for the day. Take a short here at 412, cover half at 350, another half at like 3, where is this? 318. Almost a dollar below. But the problem is I'm thinking about the damn money. I'm not trading the process. And I'm getting chopped up. The other stock that I was looking at today was VRAR. Problem with this was I only got really, really small size on this initial trade. Oops. I started trading in the golden zone, but like I said, I tried to get filled. It didn't have very much volume. I only got filled like a very small size. It went without me. I didn't want to chase, and so I lowered my stop in the money. And then this thing gave a beautiful stuff of $3. Once again, trade the process, not the money. And it's crazy because could have taken a trade at $3, covered half down here at 250, everything at 225, and had a very, very good day. And yeah, just super, super disappointed in myself. I'm trading like absolute shit right now. But I don't know, that's why I'm making these videos. I want you guys to learn from me, and it's also good for me to go back and relook at this stuff. Another thing that I was looking at was this. So I was trying to use higher time frames, and you got this ginormous ass wick on a 5 minute chart, right? I don't even know if this. I I would have to say this did not bounce high enough, but no, it did not bounce high enough. But you could take a trade in here. You're like, yeah, like risking like over the high of this white candle. I got stopped out. It just kind of chopped around, didn't really do much. But like another thing I was looking at was on the hourly, and this thing pops up, stuffs out, opens, pushes, fells this level right here at 415, and it just fades from there, right? literally 416, 450. Okay, yeah, it's 40% risk. But I mean, you start scaling in like the way that I'm longing. Like start with, half size, risk $100 on the trade or whatever. It starts failing, start adding to the size or whatever. Like just different ways of looking at, the trade and how I could have done it better. But yeah, it just sucks. It sucks getting knocked out of the day. Um, and yeah, hope you guys did better today. This is also way too many entries, by the way, but I don't mind that on longs because uh I don't like holding longs forever. Like I like to take a short, up in here, up in the highs, and then just let it fade. Yeah, I'm okay with that. But like longs, I'm always scared to hold. So, but once again, just to kind of go over that really really fast. If you look how I do my longs, one, two, three, four, then I'm finally full size. Like maybe start cutting this into like twos, right? Okay, take half, goes 10 cents in the money or whatever, 15 cents depending on the range. Okay, add another half, lower stop to break even, and you know that way I'm not adding where I should be covering at, right? Another thing down here, and if I do get in, say, fourth size, okay, then like I don't feel confident in this. Okay, only be in half size then, and let it ride because some of these stocks, man, like for instance, even if I would have got in half size here at 250, I start selling where I'm buying up here 70 cents higher. That I literally just made my day on half size, not even full size, half size. I made my day right there. And it's little stuff like that. So hope you guys had a good day, much better than I did. And I'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully I will be trading the process and not the P&L. So later.